Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I'm gonna tell you to summarize or before I answer those questions, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nagafila and I'm from class F. And I'm about to explain, like, answer the questions that has been sent through the documents or Word. So the first question is, what's the topic or subject? Before we're going to the first question, I just want you guys see the quick preview of the video so you guys can see a short explanation on what's happening. Okay.
Your brain is 12.5 times more likely to believe my gesture over my words. And that's because it is very hard to lie with our gestures. For example, you want to do a little experiment with me?
Sure.
Okay, I want you to say 5, but hold up the number 3.
5.
Hard, right?
Yeah, I had to think about them separately.
This is why liars use less gestures. But knowing tools like that is critical if you're trying to set yourself up for success.
So, the first question, what's the topic or subject? So the topic or subject is the impact of hand gestures on communications. The second question is, why are you interested in this topic? I'm interested in this topic because it tells us about the body language, especially hand gestures, and how small gestures could affect on how people will see us. So the third question is, elaborate what you have known learning about this. So I've been sort the main point. So there's 5 main points. The first one is that hand gestures are powerful. We never knew that hand gestures are more important than people often realize. So as I said before, even the smallest detail, smallest movement of our hands, it actually affects on how people will see us. So the second point is the visibility of hands build trust. When people can see your hands, it triggers unease in the brain. The name of the part of brain is amygdala. So seeing someone's hands helps others feel safe and less distracted. So the third point is the evolutionary perspective on hand gestures. Historically, visible hand meant someone was not carrying a weapon. A visible open palm is seen as non-threatening and friendly. So the fourth point is practical application in daily interactions. So, for example, when we enter a room or start a conversation, we should, showing our hands, or at least like waving hi or wanted to shake hands like this. But make sure it doesn't look like ambiguous. So if you want to shake hands, just say that you want to shake hands like this. So the last main part is political examples. In this video, the speaker references how public figures like Donald Trump use hand gestures effectively. So hand gestures, they really made, they boost confidence, and also it makes us being seen as a person that could be be effective in our conversation, in their conversation. Alright guys, thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.